Hey guys, it's MonkeyHappy, and it's time for Happy's bath. Yeah, a good way to start the morning off with a nice clean monkey, right? Let me get the water temperature just right for him. You gonna come over? You gotta be a good boy for me? No, you can't hold on to that. You gotta stay on my arm. You know how we do it. Okay, here we go. Here's a good Happy. Oh, does that feel nice? Nice and warm. Oh, get his belly wet. And his tail. Get some water on his butt. Hold on, stay on my arm. Gotta get his arms wet. Slick his hair out a little bit. Yeah, he's like, gotta get some soap, Pa. Alright, I'm about to have me a soapy monkey on this arm. Good boy, Happy. Oh, nice and soapy and clean. Must stay under the water? Okay, let's put it there. He's like, I'll stay still if you keep me under there. A little bit warm. Yeah, I'm sorry. Get his tail nice and clean. Let me get some more soap. Where you going, Happy? Still on. Good boy. Oh, I got his belly. And his legs. Where you going, little monkey? There's a clean monkey butt. Let me wash his hands and his feet. You're almost done. No, we just gotta rinse off. Good, Happy. Stay right here. You gotta be a good boy. That's a good Happy. Look at this good boy. You know, this is not my favorite thing, but I do it good for my daddy. At least he's not crying. And I always have to like double rinse Happy because he has thick hair. Yeah. I'm gonna rinse him really, really good. Splish splash. Happy's taking a bath. Okay, let's get this out of here. You guys ever have problems with your pumps on your baby shampoo and stuff like that? They always break on us. It could be monkey boo. Alright, Happy, almost done, buddy. Look how easy it is to wash this little monkey. I'm pretty much done. No soap on his belly now. Where are you going? Look, he's getting the soap where it's running through. You can't have that soap. That's what Boo used to do. He needs the soap. Let me get his tail one more time. Kind of like wash, rinse, and then repeat rinse several times. Yeah. Whoa, he's not running away. Good boy. Okay, Happy. All nice and clean. One more time under the hot water. Alright, let me clean his ears. Whoa. On my arm right there. I want to clean his ears. You're not going to let me? Okay. I got to check for boogies. Let me check his nose. Okay. He's like, Daddy, I don't like that part. Alright, good job, Happy. You did phenomenal. Yeah. So you guys see, I do hold Happy by his tail, but like I'm barely holding on to him. Oh, we gotta dry him off real good. Good job, Happy. Look how crazy his hair looks. You look like a monkey boo Patsy. Oh, here you go. No, you're not crawling on me while you're wet. Silly. Stay on the towel for just a minute. Thank you. Get his nice pretty tail dry. Look at that pretty tail. Look, Happy can wrap his tail all the way around his neck. And he does it all the time. He plays with it. Alright, so there you go. How about that starting a Tuesday morning off? We got a nice, fluffy, clean Happy. Oh, you smell good, Happy. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Give him a kisses. Oh, he's a good boy.